Hey, my name is Dan Wesson. I'm from Ontario, Canada, and this is a review of the DMM Captain Throwing Hook Kit for treestuff.com. I got this kit back in late 2019, and I've used it a whole bunch since then. It was coming as a kit, so everything came together. You can buy the hook by itself for I think about $100 less, but the kit comes with the hook, comes with a rope. This is 50 feet of 10 millimeter line, and then the bag that it comes in. When it comes as the kit, this rope is actually has a spliced eye on the end, and it's on here. Nice, sleek, slim setup. But what I found very shortly is that although 50 feet is tons and tons of line for this thing, I already run a pretty funky lanyard setup with like 25 feet of lanyard. So I very quickly just have my spliced eye on my lanyard on a small DMM Perfecto and then hooks on this. So now they say you want something real small connection, so it's not going to get snagged or anything. But the Perfecto is tiny, and so I found this guy I just use as like a tagline now and don't really get a ton of use out of it. The surprising winner out of this kit is actually this bag. It's super, super robust. It's got a whole bunch of connection points. You can stick other gear on the side of it that you don't use super often. You don't want on your harness per se, but you want to have around. And so I find when I'm up in the tree, I keep this guy actually stowed in the bag. I chuck my gloves in here, water bottle, whatever else. And it's a great kit to have up the tree. It's got these two little kind of loops on the outside, which whatever, they're not bad. But then the inside also has these loops that if you hang it from the side of your harness, it actually holds the bag open. So I store my lanyards, I stuff them in here. The hook has like a little hole in the top, and it comes with a little XSRE carabiner. It's okay, but it's, just taking up another spot on your harness, still getting stuck on a few things as I was, moving around the tree. So I found, tuck it in there, chuck all your stuff in there. It works great. If I go back and do it all again, honestly, I probably wouldn't spend the extra $100 for the rope and for the bag. I would just get the hook. But I mean, if you end up with it, it's a great bag. So yeah, this is the kit. The whole thing comes all together or by itself, and you can get it on treestuff.com. Check it out.